Pawn shop.
Wow, this is so cheap, so cheap.
Pawn shop.
Let's see what we got here, bro. Oh, $130 for some Ford. What's up, YouTube? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today we're outside of a pawn shop. Last week at this pawn shop I missed 2 pairs of shoes and I caught them while I was editing. I'll show you guys the 2 pairs of shoes. Yeah, I don't know how I missed this, but there were 2 nice dunks on the floor. I need to go back ASAP and get them. Now let's go inside the pawn shop, see what they are. I can't show you the location because a lot of people in my city are going to pawn shops and it's dying. And then the rest of the day we're also gonna go to a bunch of pawn shops, so hopefully we get lucky. Sheesh, look at this price, bro. These are really overpriced by like $50. I was expecting them to be $100 and like the pawn shop not to know what they have, but somehow they knew, and it's probably because they have a younger crew of workers in there and they know their products. Right here, I paid $130 for these red devil demon dunk highs. These are going for like 200 something. Let's see if we can flip them on Facebook today. Alright, y'all, that deal was okay. It wasn't really crazy, but we're gonna see if we can flip it on the SB groups tonight on Facebook. Now let's go to another pawn shop that we went to last time and found 5, and then we're gonna go head downtown, pick up another lot from my guy, my plug, you feel me? Not my plug, but some guy who always sells me shoes. So let me go over there real quick and then head down. Y'all, we just got to the pawn. Like I said last week, I came in here, I cleared out all the good stuff. Everything else is mediocre stuff. They did have some good retros, but on those retros they would charge like maybe market price or 20-30 over market, so there wasn't really any good steals that I could finesse them for. Location, it's in like downtown area. There's nothing more I hate than somebody who takes their sweet time. All right, y'all, so I'm still here waiting. It's been like 10 minutes. This guy's taking too long, like his sweet time, which means you gotta get lowballed, man. You gonna waste my time, gonna lowball you. And I already agreed to 2 shoes. I don't know if he brings anything, that's when I'm gonna lowball him. But people, please be on time. That boy finally pulled up, bro. I was so mad. He took about like 20 minutes to get here, but let's see what this boy brought me today. My goal is to make about 40 a shoe from this guy because he consistently brings me stuff. Paid $240 for this deal. I'm guessing about $80 profit to $100 profit, just depends who I sell it to. Not a bad deal at the end of the day. All right, I'm gonna just leave it here. Look at this. I'm pretty sure these are real. I'm gonna do a little bit more legit checking, but guess what else I find here, buddy? Yeah, these are coming home with daddy. And then these might be fake. Yep, these are fake. What else we got? 115 fakes. Yes, sir, you already know where I'm at. 2 pawn shops in close vicinity to each other, right next to the train station. Let's go, baby. Let's see what they got in here. So looking at the kids section right here, there's nothing really profitable. Maybe if we find some 1s or some 4s, that's where we're gonna make good money, but everything else is just hard seller in kid sizes. Nothing good, especially those 11s. Fake off-whites right here for 500. These people are crazy. I looked around in the men's section, more fakes right here. Boom, and we hit the jackpot, baby. $130 for Jubilees. They'll sell for like 200 plus. These, they're profitable, but just not for me right now. And then more fakes, and then these were okay deal. It wasn't that bad. Size 9 women, so that's a big ass size. And then we got these. This was a good deal. That was a 10 women. Just left the pawn shop with just the 11s for now. I could have taken the other shoes, but personally I want these 11s instead. So yeah, I don't need any filler items. It's just not for me right now. Y'all, look at this right here. Nothing but bricks. It's not a DFW kicks without a DTLR. I'm at DTLR. I forgot to record, but I have these. They're playing music so loud, so I can't really speak. But I'm looking at all their stuff today. They have. I ended up grabbing these. I had to mute this because the music they were playing was loud. I just left the pawn shop. Not playing. Just left DTLR. I got 3 pairs of shoes. I'll show you guys what they are in the car. Oh, I almost dropped myself. I'll show you guys what they are in the car. So here is what I got. These mids, 120 plus tax, 130. I could sell these for like 160 to 2. Next pair we got is these DTLR exclusive Kamikaze for $19, and these are selling for like 100 all the time, so 80 bucks profit. Last pickup is these right here. These are selling for about 160 to $200 range. My last pair sold for like 250, so I grabbed it to see what happened. On to the next pawn shop. Fake off-whites in here. Let's see what else they got. Here's a lot of sneakers they have. See some Kobe's, but they're in small sizes. See some 12s. What are those at? I'm probably gonna leave because they have nothing that's good. Alright, y'all. So this shopping center has a Foot Locker, Foot Action, and a Champs in one area. It's on the other side. I'm gonna go into it. If I see anything, I'll show you guys. But if not, I'm not gonna bore you and waste your time. I still want to steal all those boxes on that pallet, baby, and all those racks and stuff. Whew. One day. We only had these 2 bricks left in here that was any good. Another pawn shop. Alright, this pawn shop has the most selection out of all of the ones in my city. Guys, I just had the craziest experience at the pawn shop. I got kicked out of a pawn shop for recording. And you guys asked me, hey, why do you not record stuff inside the pawn shop? But I just legit got kicked out of a pawn shop for for recording. Some lady was tripping about it. At the end of the day, I'm not saying I'm better than anybody. At the end of the day, I'm happy and content. God has blessed me with so much, not even financially, just right here, to not even argue with people. I'm like, okay, I just left because I don't need them. I don't need the pawn shop. And this is what I'm gonna tell you guys, bro. The way I live my life is I want to be dependent on myself and myself only. I don't care what anybody's doing with their lives. I don't envy anybody. I'm not jealous of anybody. I'm gonna put in the effort and the work necessary to get the material items or just financial items or anything. Just to get anything, I will do what I have to do. But at the same time, I don't desire to get more than what I need, because at the end of the day, God is going to test me with everything I have. So the way I live my life is I'm not trying to be greedy. I don't care. I'm not going to argue with anybody. If things don't go the way they do, I just say, hey man, this shit's not meant for me, and I just move on. You feel me? That pawn shop has so much stuff though, but this one probably doesn't have shit. Let's go in. Yeah, I was right, bro. Tell her, let's hope we get lucky. Bro, I was shook to find these for 40. These are gonna sell for 100 plus Christmas time, and then found these for $9. These are gonna sell for like 30. Then after that, went to the pawn shop next door to it. Found these mids for 50 bucks. This is a $100 shoe right here, baby. And then I looked around, seen these threes. They were a little bit taxed, but I know I could sell these for like 150. So I gotta negotiate on them. And then I had some other stuff, but this is more filler stuff that's not really worth it. Like these, bro. Like, what is wrong with these Jordans, fool? Look at this. What the hell? And then I found these Dunks. These are worth some good money. 50 bucks. That's a steal right there, baby. Here's some fake shoes for you guys. But yeah, I picked these up for 110 at the pawn shop. Okay, and then we picked these up for 50. This is like a $150 shoe. I don't know how. We picked these up for like $54. Probably try to sell them for like 100 bucks. All right, y'all. I'm just leaving this pawn shop. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. PAW. Okay, I can't tell you guys anymore. But I picked these up. Ooh, why is this zoomed out like that? Okay, I picked these up for 60 bucks out the door. Ah, dang it. Oh man, this is the first L I have taken today so far. Yo, what happened to this? Where is it? Where's the tab, brother? But okay, I'll just take the L. I'll probably sell these for a loss and call it a day. But I was expecting to sell these for like 120. They all just need like a little cleanup, but man, this is sad. Where's the other piece? But I only paid 60 bucks. I know I can get 60 back for it, but it is what it is. Yeah, bro, just live your life, enjoy it, have a good time, but always be cautious. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for coming, checking out my DFW Kicks videos. I generally make about maybe like $1,000 to $3,000 a month from every pawn shop that I visit every month. And I know the days that they have stuff out. I can't tell you guys because that's my priority. That's my intellectual knowledge. I put the time and effort to learn what days they go. So now I usually just go to pawn shops maybe on once a week or twice a week if I don't get a chance to go and get to all of them the first day. You feel me? They always put stuff up on a certain day on a certain week, You feel me? That's my priority knowledge in this brain. You could pay for it, but I'm not selling it, you feel me? But other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, bro. It's been crazy, but I really want to get back on the YouTube grind, so I'm making videos. I hope I get that little to just go ahead and make them videos happen.
Make sure you click the like or dislike, or I don't care button, but click something, goddammit.